Okay, so first of all, I'm going to type equals rand, open and close brackets, and enter. And this will give me a random number between 0 and 1. Then I'll double click to send that formula down. And then I will use the sort by function. The array that I will be sorting is this list of names here. And then I'm going to be sorting it using the list of random numbers that I just made. And it will sort the numbers from smallest number to largest number. And because the numbers are random, I then end up with my list of names in a random order. I'm then going to take all of this and put it inside the wrap columns function. This here will be the vector. And then the wrap count is going to be 5 and close brackets and enter. And this puts my list of names into random groups with 5 people each. Now it doesn't exactly divide up because I have 29 people. So in order to hide that error, I'm going to use a pad with, and I'll put 2 quotation marks in here with nothing in between, in order to turn that into a blank cell. Now there are 2 different ways that you can do this. So instead of using wrap columns, you can also use wrap rows. And then I'll change this here to the number 3 and enter. And now I have 3 random groups. So using the first method, you're telling it how many people you want to be in each group. And with the second method, you're telling it how many groups you want to have. Now that we've set this up, I want to put all of it together in one formula. So instead of using equals rand here, I'm going to delete this. And then I'm going to type equals rows. And the array is going to be my list of names here. And this will count how many rows I have in this range. And that's 29, which is also the number of names that I have. Then I'm going to put this inside of a randarray function. And this will give me 29 random numbers between 0 and 1. So now I've got this set up, I can copy all of this and then paste it into this formula to replace this cell reference here. And everything is in one formula, so I can now delete this helper column here. Now let's put this into a Lambda formula. So I'll type Lambda, and I need 2 parameters. The first parameter is going to be the list of names, and then the second parameter is going to be the number of groups. Then I'll take the list of names here and copy this, and I need to paste this in here to replace both of these cell references. Then I'll take the number of groups and I'll copy this, and this needs to be pasted in here to replace this number. Then we'll close brackets at the end to close off the Lambda formula. Then I need another set of open and closed brackets in order to put in the actual parameters. So the first one is going to be the list of names. So I'll select this array here. And then the second one is the number of groups. So I'll put in the number 3 and enter. And you can see I get the same results as I did before. So now that I have the Lambda formula set up, I can copy all of this except for the open and closed brackets at the end, and then go to the Formulas tab and define name. The name I'm going to choose is going to be random groups, and then in the refers to box, I will paste in the Lambda formula that I just copied, and OK. Then I'll test this on a different list of names. So I'll do equals random groups, And the first thing I need to select is the list of names, so I'll select that here. Then I need to tell it the number of groups that I want, and I'm going to have 5 groups, and close brackets and enter. And now I get 5 random groups, so I know this formula is working correctly. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to take a list of names and sort them into random groups, and that is everything.